Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer and entering a special code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code we're provided with the serial number. It should appear at the bottom of this pop-out window. So let's tap on OK, and now another way through the settings, so let's open them. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone, then scroll down again and find Status Info. And as you can see right here, again we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.